Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the active specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. Some of the tech in this car include speed limit recognition, there's lane departure warning, and also active city brake. Some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. The car's gone under 8,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.